Stop logging into 5 different apps to post the same photo. One click, 5 platforms. Watch this. I select all my accounts here.
I can tweak the caption for each platform right here without ever leaving the screen.
I can choose Facebook options, feed, reel, or story. Apply tags. I can crop the images. I can use AI to generate new images, fix spelling, improve my writing, make it longer or shorter, or edit with AI asks. Quickly fill up your content calendar and schedule with no limits. Now we can clone it. Reschedule posts simply by dragging them here in the calendar view. See what's trending on Google's, Pinterest, Wikipedia, TikTok, and YouTube. This will help you write new engaging posts using popular or trending keywords, for instance, or trending topics, all in one place, on one dashboard, in one social planner. Monitor your comments right from here. No more logging into Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn, or any of your social media when you can have it all right here. All your comments to each and every one of your posts, and you can easily reply right back to them using DM right from here, your social planner. No need to go logging in and out of each of your social media accounts when it's all right here. And that's not all. You can also track your social media progress, all from your dashboard. Track things like total posts, posts by social, daily post count, total impressions, impressions by social, daily impressions, number of followers, and followers by social. Now that I've shown you how to control, manage, and monitor all of your social media accounts from one location, what's holding you back? Schedule a call with me today. The link is in the description. If you're new to Go High Level and looking for a way to shorten your learning curve and get up and running quickly, check out Real Eats Finder Pro's courses. The Success Hub is a step-by-step video library built for beginners, with ongoing training on automations, AI tools, reputation management, and real marketing strategies. Visit realeatsfinder.com for more information.